talking about it. At least we got to enjoy some animals, even in the cold house.
Even at night. Nighttime on the Savanna. Here we are. Look at this entrance. Look at that. Go out, see the animals. That'll be great. But for now, I'm gonna go find the family. Elevator! Very cool. So this is our 1-bedroom villa here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We have the kitchen, we have the living room. We come this way, got the private bathroom. There's only one bathroom, so I guess it's not too private. Oh, look at that. Look at that little Lion King on the wall. Hello there. And then over here you've got the bedroom. A little more Lion King right there. And then, oh, look at that. Welcome Clark family. Beautiful. And then, oh, nice. Extra secure, which is always good, especially when you got little ones. And look at this view out here. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? This is a great view. And if we come back in, you can come through the bedroom. And what's really nice is it's a mega balcony. And you can see out there, it actually connects on both sides. So this is really cool, really nice. And then over here, this chair is gonna pull out into a sleeper bed, single bed. And then this couch is gonna pull out into a sleeper sofa. So very nice. It will work really well. Sleeps 5, works really well for our family of 6 that has the baby. So we're gonna actually keep the crib in this room, in the 1 bedroom. And then we'll check out here. There it is. There's the washer and dryer. So you've got that. You can do your laundry. And then let's see. I think there's, oh, that's the toilet room. I'm sorry. I'm looking for a big closet. Any kind of storage we've got, but we've got the toilet room separate, which is always nice for some privacy. Let's come back in, see if we can find a closet. I mean, we've got this bad boy. That's a little closet, but I'm looking to see if there's anything larger like we've got. That's probably gonna be right here. Let's see. Yes, there we go. That's a nice storage room for us. It's probably where we'll try to fit the stroller. Not as big as Old Key West or Sarasota, but very nice nonetheless. But let's be honest, the entire reason you're coming to Animal Kingdom Lodge is to get a Savanna view and to stay in this room with this view, to wake up every single morning and be able to look out at the zebras, at the giraffes. If you look close, see if we can zoom in. Not gonna let me zoom in, but you can see a little zebra right there in the center. Now if we rotate, you can see another zebra and a giraffe right there in the center of the screen. So very cool, very cool. And that is the entire reason you come to Animal Kingdom Lodge. You stay here with the Savanna view. That's the key. That's what you want to do. It is worth every penny.
Pull it up.